Hello, my name is Daniel Robertson. Have you ever wondered how it is possible to make such realistic effects in today's 3D animation? With the use of Autodesk Maya's dynamics, we are capable of making objects that interact with the environment as if they are really acting under the laws of physics. So we can see the importance in taking the time to learn the dynamics workflow and how it will greatly improve the overall realism in our animations. The first time I ever got hands-on learning Maya's dynamics, I was very overwhelmed. After a few weeks of diligent work, I can't believe I didn't take the time to learn it sooner. I would like to go over what dynamics are, the different types of dynamics, and how they're used to create realistic effects in today's animations. We are constantly under the laws of physics. One example is gravity. In order to make our animations feel real, we have to make physics part of it. In Maya, we do this with the use of a nucleus system called dynamics. Joe Stam said the basic philosophy behind nucleus is that complexity arises by combining simple constraints. In his article, Nucleus Towards a Unified Dynamic Solver for Computer Graphics, written in 2009. When we create a piece of geometry and add nucleus to it, we are able to add constraints to that object and make it react to the environment in a realistic way. A Maya nucleus system is composed of a series of nucleus objects which consist of in-cloth, in-particles, and passive collision objects, as well as dynamic constraints and a Maya nucleus solver. I found this information in the Autodesk Maya User's Guide for the 2014 version at the Autodesk website. This is also a great place to find any information on other Autodesk products such as 3ds Max and Softimage. The end particle is what actually does the interaction in the scene, and the nucleus, it handles all of the constraints that control the end particle behavior. When we turn a piece of geometry into end cloth or end hair, each vertex in that geometry gets an end particle. The space in between these particles acts like springs that bend and allow the particles to collide yet stay together. If you imagine dropping a towel onto the ground, not every part of the towel collides at the same time. I got this information from the book Mastering Maya 2011 by Eric Keller in chapters 13 and 14. In conclusion, we can see how important dynamics is to the animation industry. With the use of Autodesk Maya dynamics, we are capable of making characters, clothing, and even trees that realistically interact with the environment as if they were really under the laws of physics. Remember how I said I was overwhelmed the first time I got hands-on with dynamics? Well, the same will surely go for you, but if you are willing to put in the time and effort to learn the workflow, you will see a major difference in the realism of your animations. Thank you.